Russell's off on another adventure to visit his second country.
Where's your mask, sir?
We started early to drive to the Miami International Airport.
I don't know about you guys, but traveling is not stressful.
When we were deciding on the next Marriott to use our points, we knew we wanted to visit a warm place where the hotel would be our primary destination.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
We also wanted a direct flight and a relatively easy travel day. Travel ended up being much longer than anticipated. Well, you'll see.
Good morning, ladies. We have a full flight.
It was a completely full flight, but at least we had an aisle seat. It went as smoothly as it could. The car ride from the airport was a windy, nauseating 2 hours across the island. You're also probably wondering who that other girl traveling with us is. She's one of my sisters. We invited her to come with us to be an extra set of hands, and because she's an almost grad school graduate who could take a couple days away pretty easily. We arrived just before dinner time. Right when you walk in, the view is amazing. Our butler showed us to our room. Yes, our butler. She was there throughout our stay for whatever we needed.
So, yeah. Your mini bar, you have your coffee maker, you have your coffee too, you put it there.
Russell was super stoked about his crib.
What's he doing?
That was the best thing. That might be the only place where the Tanqueray is at.
It's very sunny.
On our first day, we took it easy and went full-on vacay mode. This was our first time staying at an all-inclusive resort. The food and drinks were alright. Kind of what I had anticipated for an all-inclusive.
Cheers, guys.
But the convenience was
Cheers.
exactly what we were hoping for our first big trip with the baby.
Keep it on.
You're not going anywhere.
You'll be able to hear it.
It's really pretty right here.
many did you get?
Bessie, who's your favorite?
Each night by dinner, he was exhausted. The next morning, Kyle and I left Aunt Sophie and the baby at the hotel to go explore a place called Pigeon Island National Park. Mom and Dad are off on a solo adventure to
Pigeon Island National Park.
Pigeon Island.
Billy, we can walk there.
It was about a 2-mile, slightly sketchy side of the road walk to the park. It's been a minute since we've been on a hike. Food burner. The hike was perfect and the views were stunning. It was great to get a little time away, just the two of us, but we were excited to be back for an afternoon at the pool with our hungry little man. All-inclusive was definitely convenient with a growing baby. We might have to come back in about 15 years to really get our money's worth. Russell was a champ. He's not a great stroller napper anymore, but we would try to get him to take a quick morning nap on the go.
Hello. Come on, hi.
And then by about 2-ish, we'd all be pretty pooped and go to the room so that Russell could get a really good afternoon nap. This particular day was hysterical. He was delirious and we couldn't stop laughing. Not easy to fall asleep when your mom, dad, and aunt are in the same room staring at you.
together for the man's party. Performing the start of fire show. The flames of review. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Musica, let's.
Pancakes on a towel in bed may have been the most fun meal he's had yet.
Buddy. Oh.
Oh, here we go. On our third day, we took an awesome half-day boat tour up the coast.
What are you doing?
Russell napped for about an hour with his booty in the air and woke up just in time to see the pitons. A short bus ride took us to the sulfur spring.
On you?
Kyle and Russell sat this one out to let Aunt Sophie and I have a little fun.
Mommy, piton dinner. Bessie, look.
Okay.
The next morning, I went for Pigeon Island round 2 so that Sophie could see the views too.
just let him go. A leaf? Thank you.
We had another awesome afternoon on the beach.
What are you two doing over here? Gotcha.
We know he won't remember these moments, but they're shaping who he is, and are moments we will never forget. Hibachi night was definitely a hit. We also met the sweetest couple from London and finally stayed out past 8 while Aunt Sophie and Russell slept in the room. We got a little more park time in before we had to say goodbye.
Hey, you can't come here. Be careful, buddy. What are you doing? You're stuck.
On the way home, Kyle got an exit row and Sophie and I had a seat in between us so Russell could nap. We had the best